Hi YouTube, UKLockPicka back with another video. In this one I'm going to be showcasing what I won off the Andy Mack free giveaway last week, which I couldn't believe I won. It's 2 competitions I've won up to now, so I feel really lucky for that. And the winning was this Easy T, I think it's 5 lever curtain lock, which is a beaut. Works perfectly with the key. I got a nice little case. I got the tensioning tool, which is absolutely brilliant, really well made. There will be some pictures of all of the stuff that I won at the end of the video. But for now, we're going to try and pick this thing open. So we'll put our tensioning tool in, and the curtain pick, some tension on the lock. Hopefully you can see that, or not, that's better. Get repositioned. Now these aren't my fault here, as you well know. I don't pick many of these. I've probably got one on my profile, but I did manage to pick it earlier in the van. So let's give it another go. So we'll start at 1. I'm just giving them tiny little nudges. 3, 4, 5. Back to the beginning. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, back to the beginning. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we'll just keep on going through, giving everything just a little nudge until you hopefully pick the lock. I'm in Wales today. I'm fitting the kitchen in Wrexham. I just thought I'd take me dinner early, make you a quick video. Hopefully the lock being opened. One set's quite high in this lock. After a tiny little bit of movement, I hope I'm not going to fall into any false gates, if there's any in this lock. I feel like I've hit a bit of a stalemate here. Maybe I've overset something, I'm not sure. Just have a feel. Oh, is that a false gate? It's either a false gate or there's something just holding us up. Let off a little bit. There you go. That's it open. Stuck in a false gate there. I let off just a little bit and it must have dropped down. But what we'll do is we'll just take it apart here, just to show that it's all intact. Be interesting to see what's inside actually. Hopefully it doesn't go ping. Well, it's everything inside, so we'll take out the first lever. Lever 1, which is one of them. 2, get it out. Just one of them. Stuck. Three. Again, I will put some still shots of this. You just get the idea. Everything is here intact. It's just being a pain in the ass to get out. That was 4. And last but not least, number 5. So like I say, I'll take some still shots of all of this, of all of the levers, the picks. But yeah, first go of one of Andy Mack's tools, and I'm really impressed by it. So if you would like them tools, you can message Andy Mack directly. I think that's the normal procedure. I'm not too sure if they're on the UKLS website, which I think they might be, but I'll put some links in the description later on. And then hope to hear from everyone very, very soon. So thanks for watching, everyone. Please hit that subscribe button and like the video. Thank you very much for your support. Bye bye for now.